assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
All right, so here we have a question about a specific group of elements. So you'll want to have your periodic table close by. So I'm going to sketch one out kind of briefly on the screen here for you. And what we're being asked about is the group 6A, otherwise known as group 16. So the elements in this group are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, kind of tellurium, polonium, so on and so forth. And what the question is asking us, if these atoms were to form ions, what would they tend to do? Gain or lose electrons, and how many? Okay. So one important fact that's helpful to know is that most atoms want to have a total of 8 electrons. That's called an octet, and it gives them the electron configuration similar to the noble gases, which are found in group 18 at the very end kind of the periodic table. So typically, the closer things are to the right, the more likely it is for them to gain electrons because they're not very far away from becoming a noble gas themselves. So we could expect these elements, since they're close to the noble gas side, to gain electrons. Now, the question is, how many electrons should we expect them to gain? A handy thing to know is that the group number actually tells you how many valence or outer electrons all of the elements within that group have. So since this is group 6A, all of these elements start out with 6 valence electrons. Ideally, kind of the full octet of electrons is a total of 8, which all the elements in group 18 have. So what you do is you just count to see how many more electrons they need to get to 8. For group 6A, they're only 2 electrons away, so when they gain an electron, we could expect that they will specifically gain 2 of them.